Hello, I'm Adam, the car seat technician with Infant Toddler Youth and Car Seat Quickies. We're going to show you on your Uppababy Mesa Classic base if your car has a waterfall and how to fix it. Now, in some cars, there's something called a waterfall, and that is material between the back of the vehicle seat and the bottom of the seat. So that does not allow the car seat to go flush with the vehicle seat, and there leaves space between the car seat and the actual seat back. So if your car does have that space between the car seat and the vehicle seat, Uppababy has an easy fix. You're gonna go ahead and grab a bathroom towel. You're gonna fold it vertically. You're gonna put it between the car seat and the vehicle seat. It needs to be flush. And then all your other installation rolls are gonna be the same. The top window on the base needs to be green to let you know it's tight enough. And then the side windows need to be green to let you know that the baby is at the right angle. So you can go ahead and do your installation with the towel wedge on there. And then you're able to get a nice snug installation. And it won't matter that there is that space there because with the towel, it's now gone. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel.